No, I'm not even joking.
Yeah. And it says... Hey everyone, so today I'm with the one and only Lucille K.
Basically, we're just gonna do a little vlog and show you what we're gonna do today.
Go follow all our social medias.
Linked in the description.
My hair, look.
Oh, cute. 10:05. So
Yeah, it's the early
we're in the
motive.
same outfits. Yeah, we're in yellow shorts. So yeah, not the same shoes, but
I thought she was going to wear a pink bandana. But no, I just look like a loner.
we'll vlog once we're like
Find something
cool
interesting.
Later.
Guys, so we are at the moment and I'm starving.
We went
Into Boots and Poundland.
got
We got 2 happy hippos because you guys know Kinder Bueno and these are the best. We didn't get Kinder Bueno though.
and then we got 2 Vimto drinks.
Fizzy ones.
Yeah, fizzy. And we got this extra chewing gum, which not really my favorite.
Hubba Bubba's
flavor.
her favourite.
If you get me a Hubba Bubba, yeah, then
For her birthday she'll be forever grateful.
yeah, man.
Love. And I got some sunglasses that were £28 because I'm a rich her. Aren't I rich? I pay for all this
Why are you running? Why are you running?
vlog content. Wait, let the camera see you trying it. Right. Subscribe to Lucille K. You should get that on a shirt. Well, you should.
I should make merch, yeah.
So guys, I'm now gonna put pink at the ends of my hair.
Awesome B, I got Gally on me. Hey,
Maybe if this actually worked. Hey guys, my bottom's up.
your bottoms. Hey guys, what happened?
It went on my eyeballs.
So I'm gonna try some Vimto fizzy.
I give up on that. Piece of I can't open it. Can you open it? Mom, look at her wearing my £28 sunglasses.
Where's this vlog, yeah? Where's this music? Well, I'm so thirsty. Go get water. Will they actually give me free water? Ask for 2. Let's go ask for water. Go, let's go.
Excuse me, is it free to get 2 cups of water?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Imagine you have to pay £10 just to get water.
A few moments later.
Hey everyone! So, we just took a few photos, that's why my hair's out. Yeah, this is bloody funny, isn't it? Right. Look at them knees. But you need to cream your knees. Look at her sexy knees. We're gonna head to the abandoned farm now. Don't forget my £28 glasses.
Check out her Instagram, abigailparker.xa.
Pictures will be on my, my Instagram will be right here somewhere. Lisa's gonna edit the video. I don't know where it's gonna be. It could be here, there. It could be here. It could be in my mouth. We're on our way now.
That would be a good thumbnail.
See you in a bit, guys. Walked all that way from right over there to here. Look at the gates.
And it's blocked off.
This is a piece of shit. I'm gonna try to get around here. This is ridiculous. Look at the. Should we just try and crawl under or something? See what happens.
Yeah, this girl just started screaming. What the f***? I'm joking.
This is blocked off and we just heard someone scream. I think we found a solution, guys.
No, I'm not even joking.
Run! No, you run, Lucille. I'm not going in there. I'm not gonna chicken out, but right, I don't want that tractor guy getting suspicious of us. If he tells us to off, yeah, we got more content. Run? No, it's calm. You won't do shit. But there he is. I think we found our way in.
We should do like what happened to this before it was all
Yeah.
like why is everything
And it says in there, I'm not even joking, I swear on my life. You can check out on Lucille's vlog. There's a tape on the floor that says crime scene, do not cross. I think we just found our way in. And there's a f***ing car down there. I found a path, hold on. Look at that tractor guy. We're in right now. Oh sh**. No, he's coming.
Hold it. So locked out.
Rah! Can you hear that? Being serious, the tractor's f***ing there.
Okay, let's go look this way because this bit's blocked off. I'm gonna put like what happened here in my other video to show you what kind of happened. This is
Find me in the basement. Should we go to the basement?
Yeah,
See, there's some killer clowns in there. This is not BS. So it's not just... Okay, danger, unsafe structure. Who gives a more scarier? This place is... It's flash on, you might want to turn flash on for this. You can get onto the roof.
I literally heard a girl cry.
Mm-hmm. They blocked the other bit off, but not this bit. Makes sense. That was me! Lucy, what the f***? They're ruining my Nike ones, so I'm a bit pissed off right now. Do not cross. The cat flap. I don't know where that tractor guy's gone. Hey guys, I'm so sorry I haven't been recording because my phone's on really low. We're walking back here and he's still there. He was doing something with his dog in the bushes, not even lying. He's looking back at us right now. Feel bad for his dog, not gonna lie. He keeps pulling his dog back. Guys, so right now it is
Currently almost 6.
It's like 5:45. Sorry for not recording for the rest of the day. Nothing really happened. We went to McDonald's and got Big Macs. We've had Big Mac cravings like for 2 days.
Oh yeah, man. This is the end of the vlog. You can follow all of her social medias linked in the description.
When we got home, yeah, we had to walk all the way back to Morrison's to get the Big Mac. I got my credit card at the back of my phone. If you guys enjoyed watching this, follow all my social medias and her social medias down below in the description.
Notifications. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.